The second tournament that I played was a 5K buy-in, and I ended up getting second place for over 400K. Then the following week or a week after, I had another 220K score. And yeah, it was just full of scores the whole summer. I was like, let me just be a winner everywhere type of vibe. And sometimes I was a winner for sure. Usually I've had good results, but it didn't feel smooth. It didn't feel correct. It felt like a lot more than I should be doing. And also there was a lot of friction. I would say that 99% of people either lose or break even, and I was lucky enough to be part of the 1%. But with that luck came the preparation, which was us working together and putting those systems into place. The second tournament that I played was a 5K buy-in, and I ended up getting second place for over 400K. Then the following week or a week after, I had another 220K score. And yeah, it was just full of scores the whole summer. Very positive summer. We set up a system where if I could give myself the chance to walk away, whether it's 10, 15 minutes, either do a breathing exercise, do some yoga, stretching, meditation, whatever that might look like that will favor lion mode coming back into play. We were able to break it down and see what kind of things bring out that monkey man or that version that you don't want showing up, but does show up once in a while. When I did see the triggers coming up, I was able to hey man, thank you for being here, but not today, and boom, right back into lion mode. But there's certain times where you can't really do that. So what are you gonna do when monkey man shows up and you can't do all this? And that's when you go on machine mode. One of the ways you put it into words were aim for the trophy, miss the target. Aim for the target, you get the trophy, right? It's like always focus your performance on performing the best of your ability and disconnect from the rest. Surround yourself with people who speak your same language, who are aligned with the vision, aligned with the goals. If you're not having conversations taking you to where you want to go, then it's taking you in the other direction. The biggest things in life are a bit simple but very powerful, and being able to be consistent is just the key to crushing it, man.